Hi guys, just a quick video update regarding the flat that was abandoned. Okay, so Albert's been to do all sort of the maintenance stuff to essentially fix anything that needs fixing, replace light bulbs, basically make sure that everything is in working order. It's done an absolutely fantastic job. As I said in the last video, I literally just gave him the keys. Gave him a list of requirements, tell him what we're looking to do with the flat, and then he just cracked on, went ahead and did it. Came back a week later, and everything was pretty much done. And then after that, we handed the keys over to Richard and his cleaning team, and again, they've done an absolutely fantastic job. Same again, it was, here are the keys. This is the flat, this is what needs doing, which is essentially clean everything down, get rid of anything that's broken or that shouldn't be here for a new tenant. It's pretty obvious when you move in, you don't want to be using other people's sort of dirty or used cutlery or broken furniture or stuff like that. In fact, there was actually quite a lot of furniture out here, pots and stuff, plant pots, as you can remember in my last video. Completely got rid of everything. Gave the place a good. So we cleaned the carpet. We were saying, look, give the carpet a clean. Hopefully that'll be enough, and we don't need to replace the carpet throughout. And actually, they've done a fantastic job throughout. So that was really good. So I was actually worried that we might need to replace the carpet. Massive shout out to Richard and his team. I'll include the links in the description. They've done all the kitchen. There you go. Albert's sorted all the light bulbs out, the lights underneath, and then if there as well, you can see. There you go. Clean up all that. Clean all that out. Okay. And then just a quick walk through the bedroom. Okay, so what I've done is I went and got some bed sheets just to cover that, and then we'll come back and dress it properly and take some proper videos and pictures. But as it stands, nice empty canvas, blank canvas for a new tenant, and then the master bedroom, and the carpets, new bed sheets. Removed all the clutter. And there you go. I think there's a broken chest of drawers, so we might have to get that. But let's wait to see what the incoming tenant says first. Obviously, we're happy to get a new mattress and a new chest of drawers as well. But let's see what the tenant asks for first, because they might have their own, and then it'll be a complete waste of money, and then we might have to remove it as well. So always give tenants the option, and again, likewise with moving that table away. So they've done an absolutely fantastic job. Saved us a lot of time. Thank you to Albert and Richard. All right, guys, hopefully that's been helpful. That's pretty much a day in the life of a listings agent, really. Take care. Bye.